Hello my friends, Phil Pravda here. Welcome back to another unboxing of some amazing shoes. Here we're going to see these beautiful sort of sneaker slip-on shoes made out of suede, a nice leather trim, beautiful rubber bottom. I haven't seen them yet. They're sealed in the box. We're going to open them in front of you right now. But first, how do you like my outfit, huh? You like the blue suit? Look at this new shirt. Two-tone, white collar, white cuff, going old school, but multi-stripes, nice and soft. And this silk twill tie, and if you could look really closely, swordfish. That's right, swordfish on the tie. It's getting to be that spring, that summer feeling. 80s already in New York, so it's unbelievable. And of course, the sunglasses. The only reason I'm wearing the sunglasses for the video is because I had some retina surgery on the left eye. Looks good, getting better, healing up. If any one of you ever had that kind of surgery, let me hear how you got through it down in the comments. I'd love to talk to you about it. I actually had it done on the right eye 15 months ago, and it just so happens, same problem popped up in the left eye 15 months later, and I had it done like a week and a half ago. So because of the bright ring light, I'll just keep the sunglasses on, so please bear with me. But right now, getting to the unboxing, here we go. Welcome back, everyone. Phil Pravda, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com. That's right. And here we have the newest box right here that we're going to open up, but it's not open yet. I haven't seen these sneakers. Going to open them right here, get my trusty scissor out. I will mention to you that if you go on the website, we have right here on the screen, these are the Liberty Patriot sneakers. We have a beautiful American flag for the 4th of July, Statue of Liberty, head on the toe. And of course, the Declaration of Independence written on the sides of that sneaker. Very cool sneaker. It's only $2.95. You can check it out. It's got to be custom made. It takes that sneaker takes 27 days. So if you want to have them by the 4th of July, I think those go up to size 17. If I'm not 15 or 17 in sneakers. If I'm not, and we started I think a size 4. So if you'd like those for a nice 4th of July barbecue, very cool. You could always wear those. Okay, let's get this open. And let's see what's going on. Oh boy, here we go. Brand new. What the? Okay, let's get this box out of here. Throw that away. Let's take a look, see what it says. It's hard to see because I only got one eye going. And it says, yeah, sneakers. Okay, here we go. Opening the box. Oh boy, you know what we got to do first. First thing is the smell test. Everybody knows the rules. Of course, credit to Dave Portnoy. Credit him down in the comments. The smell test. Everybody knows the rules. One smell. Now, these smell a little different. Usually you get that smell with brand new shoes, almost like you're inside a new car. You know, you get that leather smell that just smells so good. But this is a suede. It has a little different type of a smell, more earthy tone. Okay, let's get going. We're going to open this up. Now, remember, I haven't seen these. This is my first time also. Seen them just photos. Oh, boy. I see something bright orange. Oh, I got to tell you also, this is a size, I think size 12, so it's going to be big. Here we go. Opening the suede trimmed slip-ons. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, let me get this plastic off of here. Wow, what a sneaker this is. Holy smokes. Look at that. I mean, let me give you that top view right there. Fully lined with orange leather. Outside, orange luxury suede. Wow, that is soft. I mean, really luxe. Luxe suede. Let me give you the back view right there. Side view. And the other side view, right there. And then the bottom. And you got the bottom right there on the sneaker. Of course, Suit Cafe on the bottom, and Suit Cafe is embossed in the leather inside there. Then you have the slight elastic, which is right here. So when you slip your foot in, you got a little stretch. You see? You got a little stretch right there. A little bit of elastic. So these are custom made, orange with white trim chosen. You could choose any color. There's so many colors of suede. You could have black, navy, red, purple, lilac, yellow, green, teal, magenta. I mean, so many colors. And you could pick the color of the leather trim. And when it comes to the sole, we have I think, 3 colors. We have white, black, and caramel. Those 3 colors of the sole there. But really beautiful, very lightweight, easy to wear. No socks in the summer. Go to the beach, go to the pool, go out for a barbecue, out at night. Some linen shorts, linen pants, slip your foot in, no socks. Going to look really nice. Or put on some linen pants and roll them up a little with no socks up to the ankle. Also a nice look. You know, short sleeve polo, a nice t-shirt, linen shirt. You know, a lot of different things. You can wear with this. And yes, this does say size 12. That's right. Those are size 12. Right there. That's actually my size. I could try these on, but I'm not going to try them on. So there you have it. The unboxing of the orange suede and white leather trim slip-on sneaker, or sneaker loafer, if you might say. On the website, it's on there in orange. It's also on there in green, a beautiful like green for the New York Jets, like that really nice deep green. It's on there also, so you can take a look at that. Now, I had a poll on YouTube for those of you who might have voted in that poll. And by the way, stay to the end of the video because I'll have some beautiful still shots of this sneaker if you want to see some more of this, you know, just up close of the details of, you know, how it's made, the sole, the front, the trim, and all of that. It'll be nicely put together at the end of this video, so stay to the end. And the poll was about who wants to see a video of some new custom-made actual clothing items that are coming. I don't usually make too many videos of actual clothing, but we got a lot of pieces coming, 16 pieces coming in the next delivery, and I think you're really going to want to see. These are very, very special pieces. We have beautiful, beautiful fabrics this year. You know, just to show you, I happen to have here on my messed up desk, we have unbelievable colors here in linen. I mean, these are really gorgeous. You have purple, you have white, you have gray, you have tan. I mean, look at that purple. I mean, it's a beautiful, look at that purple linen. I mean, gorgeous linen. You can make pants, you can make a suit, you can make a jacket. And this is a new type of linen called dynamic linen. It's a linen, it wrinkles, but not as much as a regular woven linen. Both 100% linen, but this is called dynamic linen. Something a little different in the weave that stops as many wrinkles. So there you have it, the unboxing of the orange sneaker. Glad you stayed around to the end. Watch the photos at the end, and my same music I put at the end of every video pretty much. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I'll see you all. Of course, the poll says yes, make a video on the custom clothes. So we'll have custom suits, custom jackets, and of course that raincoat I made in my last video, that super lightweight summer raincoat, which is selling very well, by the way. It's coming up in the next custom video because we sold quite a few pieces of those too. So see you all again when I am back at it. And hopefully I'm done with the sunglasses.